Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 Cadillac CT4 In the highly competitive world of small sports sedans, the 2023 Cadillac CT4 stands out as a compelling choice, blending impressive performance, luxurious comfort, and advanced technology to redefine driving excellence in its class. As the latest offering from Cadillac's V-Series lineup, the CT4 represents a bold statement of intent, offering drivers a thrilling combination of power and sophistication. Powering the 2023 Cadillac CT4 is a potent turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, delivering an impressive 325 horsepower and 380 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a standard 6-speed manual transmission or an available 10-speed automatic transmission, the CT4 offers exhilarating acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and rear-wheel drive configuration, the CT4 delivers dynamic performance that excites at every turn. However, the CT4 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Cadillac's engineers have meticulously tuned the CT4's suspension, chassis, and steering to provide precise and responsive handling, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with confidence. Whether navigating city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the CT4 offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Cadillac CT4 exudes an air of sophistication and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, a distinctive front grille, and LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The CT4's sporty appearance is further enhanced by 18-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and V-Series specific styling cues, which add to its dynamic presence. Inside the cabin, the CT4 offers a luxurious and technology-forward environment designed to elevate the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Cadillac's infotainment system, digital cockpit, and premium audio system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Cadillac CT4 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Cadillac CT4 sets a new standard for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the CT4 offers enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Whether cruising along the highway or attacking twisty backroads, the CT4 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.